Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Dr. Ilyas Ahmad Khan from Sadat Quran Academy. We are reading day by day the rules of Tajweed, that how to correct the pronunciations of the word. We are reading the Holy Quran. We are the Muslim and we should order from Allah to recite the Holy Quran with Tajweed. As you know that we have read in the previous the different rule of Tajweed and Tartil as well. In the previous topic, we have read the rule of Noon Saakin and Tanween. We have read the three rules as well, Izhar, Ikhfa and Ghunna. Today we'll go the very new video and the very new lesson which is about the other two rule of Noon Saakin and Tanween, which is Idgham. Idgham. Okay, we will read here the resolution of Idgham, okay, position of Idgham, that how to follow the rule of Idgham in Holy Quran. I'll just mention the topic in the board. If you are new in our channel, subscribe it to get the first notification. Okay viewers, I mentioned here the topic, the another rule of Noon Saakin and Tanween, which is Idgham. Idgham. Okay, first of all we'll go at the meaning of Idgham. I'll mention here the meaning is merging. Number one is merging. Okay, number two is blending. Number two is blending, and number three is combining. Okay, these three are the specific meaning of Idgham. In other side, you can also say it the gathering and joining as well. Okay, if we'll go at the form of definition, definition of Idgham is after Noon Saakin and Tanween, if any Yarmalun letter will come, the rule apply on there is Idgham. Okay, now keep it your mind, main word is Yarmalun. It's the common, it's make the specificity in the Idgham. Okay, because this is the main thing of Idgham. After Noon Saakin and Tanween, if there is any Yarmalun letter, because there are 6 Yarmalun letters, the collaboration is Yarmalun. Yarmalun is the collaboration of the 6 letters. Okay, there are the 6 letters of Yarmalun: Ya, Ra, Mim, Vaw, Lam and Noon. These 6 are the Yarmalun letters. Whenever we'll read it in the collaboration form, these are called as the Yarmalun. Okay, when you read the one by one, they are read with their exact position, and we will also read it as the one by one if you read the single. Okay, okay, Idgham has the 2 types. Idgham has the 2 types. Number one is Idgham with Ghunna. Idgham with Ghunna. In previous, I told you that what is the meaning of Ghunna, how we'll do the Ghunna. Okay, now I'll ask you, Ghunna means, okay, compressing or holding the sound completely in nose. But how we follow the rule of Ghunna with Idgham? Okay, because this is 2 things is mentioned here, Idgham with Ghunna. One conjunction is mentioned here. These make a specificity to these 2 words, Idgham with Ghunna. Okay, definition is after Noon Saakin and Tanween, if there is 4 letter come, collaboration Yamun. Yamun. Okay, 4 letter of your mulun, if there is come after Noon Saakin and Tanween, we'll do the Ghunna in there. Okay, we'll merge, like we're blending the sound, we'll get the sound in the nose. For example, Ayn Yazrib. Ayn Yazrib. Now you can see here, Noon is Saakin here. For example, Noon is silent here. After Noon, there is an Ya. Ya is the Yarmalun letter. Okay, Idgham letter. After Noon Saakin, there is an Ya. Now we are merging the Noon sound in the Ya, like we are getting the sound silently, we are holding the sound in the nose, we are making the compressity on the Noon. Okay, that's why it is the Idgham with Ghunna. For example, Ayn Yazriba. Ayn Yazriba. If you read An Yazrib, it's correct, incorrect. Okay, the correct is Ayn Yazrib. Okay, another is Idgham without Ghunna. Idgham without Ghunna. After Noon Saakin and Tanween, if there will 2 letters come, Lam and Ra, these 2 letters, Lam and Ra, 6 of these letters, and we'll skip the four letter here. We'll just mentionalize the two letter whenever we'll go idgham without gunna. Okay, we read these two words as to following the izhar rule. Okay, because in previous I told you the very first topic of Noon Saakin and Tanween, the very first chapter is izhar. Meaning of izhar is clarity, purity, cleanness. Okay, we'll read the word clearly after Noon Saakin and Tanween if there is any throat letter come. Okay, now keep it to your mind here. Lam and Noon is not the third letter, but whenever it's come with in the wrong form, we read it the clarity. Okay, for example, Mir rizqillah, Mir rizqillah. Now you can see here is Noon, but the function of Noon is skipping here because Meme is directly merging, blending with Ra. That's why we are reading Mir rizqillah. Okay, example other is uh, yubayyin lana. Yubayyin lana. Now you can see here the function of noon is demolished here. Ya is directly merging with lam letter. That's why is it clarity. The sound come in the purity form. That's why we are reading yubayyin lana. I hope you are getting the great knowledge from here. Thank you. It's okay, viewers, it's enough for today because today we have read the rule of Idgham with the great explanation, each and everything I mentioned there. Okay, I hope you get the great knowledge from here. I'll just request to you, you just share our video because when you share our video, the peoples in the whole over the world get the great knowledge of Islam.